Your unique story, our global audience. Global One Media.
Welcome to Global One Media's exclusive one-on-one interviews with company executives sharing insights into their unique journey. I'm your host, Ashley Berry. We're thrilled you're joining us today. Joel Freudman, CEO and director at True Precious Metals, is joining us, a company exploring for gold and copper in the highly prospective Central Newfoundland Gold Belt. They're listed on the TSXV as TRU, the OTCQB as TRUIF, and the Frankfurt Exchange as 706. Joel, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thanks for having me back, Ashley.
So, Joel, we spoke last week about True's private placement that you announced for up to $500,000. Resurgent Capital announced today a large order for $250,000. Who is Resurgent Capital and why is this so exciting?
You know, when I came on last week, I was discussing how this financing for True is a terrific opportunity. And so at Resurgent Capital, we're very bullish on the opportunity, which is why we've come in for a massive order of $250,000 of our own capital. We really believe in the merits of the deal here. Resurgent Capital is a Toronto-based merchant bank that works on venture capital markets advisory services and proprietary financing. Basically, we build real companies. We take real companies public. We've worked on RTOs, IPOs, shell restructurings, financings, very transactional merchant bank. I founded the business in 2016 after several years' experience as a securities and mergers lawyer. And since then, we've only grown our expertise. I'm joined by my fellow managing principal, Damian Lopez, who's also a former securities and mergers lawyer, a lot of experience across TSX Venture, CSE. He even built a cannabis company and took it public on the NASDAQ. And we're supported by our financial analyst, Kevin Zhou. We hired him out of University of Toronto's Rotman Commerce program. He works with us on financial modeling, deal execution, corporate secretarial work. You should definitely check us out at resurgentcapital.ca. We're invested in a number of interesting projects. We love to have long-term investors along for the ride, and very excited by the True opportunity here with this financing and this lead order out of Resurgent.
So this is truly a big deal. Let's talk a little bit about maybe what this means for shareholders and what it means for the company as a whole.
Yeah, True's financing order book is now full with this lead order from Resurgent. And so we're actually that financing is going to close a week early, which is great to see, especially in a tough market like this. To us at Resurgent, we see a fundamental divergence between True's share price and True's intrinsic value. And so we're looking to capitalize on that with this investment. We're glad other investors, especially long-term investors, see that discrepancy as well. And that's why the order book is filled up pretty quickly. As for True's next moves, certainly there's going to be a low-cost, high-potential field work being done at the Golden Rose project because there's potential there for high-grade gold and high-grade copper. But in addition, True's also working on a number of corporate initiatives. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned indeed. Well, Joel Freudman, thank you so much for talking with us today. Co-founder, CEO, director at True Precious Metals. What a pleasure it was speaking with you as always for sharing these exciting new updates. We at Global One look forward to sharing more with our audience.